need to brush. Your teeth will rot. Did you brush for 2 minutes? Don't give in to the frustration. Call now and get Brush Buddies, the educational talking timer toothbrush. Designed with kids in mind, Brush Buddies is the only interactive toothbrush that actually tells your kids where to brush and for how long.
Start with those top teeth. Now let's go to those bottom teeth. You're doing a great job.
Brush Buddies creates an educational brushing experience that's fun and effective. Brush Buddies' 5 fun characters each have one-of-a-kind helpful messages to move your child through the proper brushing sequence for a quality time 2-minute cleaning. Choose your favorite character, and when they press the button, Brush Buddies will help with the rest. Just 2 minutes plus twice a day equals a healthy smile.